What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to make a maze book or maze books 100% for free to sell as KDP puzzle books or printables for that matter, without paying anything, without tech skills, and without design skills. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tutorials, guides, and case studies just like this one. And you're gonna wanna watch this until the very end to get my 100% free method, plus my ultra fast method. You're also gonna get your hands on my free KDP mini course. And interestingly enough, you're gonna learn how I got in trouble. Okay, because this is not my first maze tutorial guide. I made a maze tutorial guide a couple of months ago, actually on March 27th, 2020. And after the fact, after I made the video guide, a lady, she was enraged. She got on my comment section and said, no, that's not true. The resource you have in the video is actually, you need to actually pay a license. They go by an honor system. If you use their puzzles, whatever puzzles you generate with their software, you have to let them know, and you got to pay a license. Now, I had no idea, okay, but she was very rude. Okay, actually, the way I'm paraphrasing it is much kinder, much nicer. The way she did it, she was rude off the bat. You know, I just did not know. So I made an amendment at the bottom of the video. Okay, I've long since deleted her rude comment, but I made an amendment down at the video claiming that you have to pay a license for the resource mentioned in the video. Anyways, I scoured the internet high and low, and I found many public domain maze generators, but a lot of them require tech skills, a lot of them require you to download something. So I did a little bit more research, and I found this. Now this, again, is something you can find online. It's nothing you have to download. It is free to use. I actually tracked down the license agreement right here. Permission is hereby granted free of charge to any person obtaining a copy of this software and associated documents, blah, 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 etc., 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 to deal in the software without restrictions, including without limitations, the rights to use, the copy, modify, merge, publish, distribute, sublicense, and or sell copies of the software, and everything that it creates, right? So this is a maze generator, okay? And this is what we want to use, okay? So now that I'm gonna have a link to it down below, and by all means access it right away. It's very easy to use. You have wall thickness. I like to keep this at 6, okay? And columns, I like to keep this, both the rows and columns at 30 each, okay? And that's it. If you're gonna make this for a KDP, then you want to keep it black and white so that your royalties aren't that affected much, okay? Because if you didn't know, if you create color books, your royalties are much smaller because it costs more for Amazon to print it out. Now, if you're gonna sell these off of your own printable site, that's a whole different story. Anyways, let's focus on KDP. So these are the dimensions and the numbers I like to put in, the variables here. Okay, so it's 6 for the wall thickness, column 30, rows 30, and the rest of this I don't touch. Unless you want to get creative, you can have the bias horizontal or vertical, but let's keep it at none and create a nice squared maze. Okay, now we have this maze. We right click save image as. We have that, and then we click solve maze. We're gonna right click save image as that, and repeat the process. Click generate maze. This is gonna be a whole new maze. Right click, save image as, okay. And then solve maze, right click that, okay. And do that again and again. And you wanna do it 48 times perhaps, because you gotta understand that Amazon KDP's limit for a US document letter size print book is at least 24 pages, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm mistaken, please let me know in the comment section. So you're gonna wanna have 24 of the puzzles of these mazes, and 24 for each solution. Okay, so you have to keep track of it, right? So you want to do it 48 times, and after you do that, you're gonna want to go to Canva. Okay, go to Canva, and you're gonna want to select the US letter document. Okay, This is for, again, KDP interior. So an interior is the actual inside of the book, okay? Again, I go over this in great detail with my mini KDP course. You can get that down below, okay? It should look like this. Actually, let me give you access to it right now. Internet, free, here we go. internetmarketinggym.com/free-KDP profits, okay? Check this out. It's a complete tutorial and guide, step by step. I'll have information about this down below. Anyways, back to the tutorial. So I opened up, again, a US letter size and template, and I've hit up to 24 different pages. And okay, so you might want to do 48, 24, but just for example's sake, I want to show you how it's done a little bit. So I have one maze here. I click it in here. I'm gonna let Canva guide me so I don't hit the bleed spots. Okay, so it just locks into place. That's the first one. And let's say, usually you have the solutions at the end of the book, but just for example's sake, I'm gonna click inside of page 2, click on the solution for that, okay? And you gotta keep track, right? You have to keep track of the solutions and the mazes, right? Here's another one. Oh, let's bring that down over here. Okay, keep it in center. I love Canva, by the way. It's this little tool has made me so much money. Okay, very good, like that. Let me know in the comment section if you've profited online because of Canva. Okay, and so forth, right? Just like that. Once you're done with your interior, you're gonna wanna click print letterhead. Sorry, you wanna click download, and you wanna click PDF print. Very important, okay? PDF print, not PDF standard, PDF print. And you're gonna click all at once, right? You're gonna click download, and it's gonna download it for you. Now that's the long way. It's 100% free, and it's again public domain. You're free to use these mazes, like this. But there's even a faster way. I have access to this software called Activity Book Mastery, and there's a ton of different types of puzzles you can create automatically. And one of them is mazes, and you have a ton of different mazes you can create here, from squad maze, circle maze, diamond maze, again another quad maze, double corridor maze, star maze. Okay, and you just click or add the number of how many you want. Let's go with diamond maze. Let's go with 30. Okay, click, and you can also add numbers to each page. Let's include maze numbers. Click go, and now you have the option here to click it. You have the option here to click for the zip file. All compressed into images. With these images, you can go back to Canva and do some really cool stuff with POD t-shirts and stuff. Or what I like to do, the easiest thing to do is click for just the PDF. Okay, here's a PDF without the solutions. Okay, this is 30. These are 30 different mazes. And then another PDF with the solutions, okay? And they're separate for a reason, right? They're separate for a reason, so you can add them, put them together later on. You can put them together with PDF. Where is PDF? So here we go. CombinePDF. It's a free tool online where you can combine different PDFs and arrange them any way you want, so that you have a book, design a book any way you want. So this is a really cool tool. I would download these two different PDFs and merge them together here, or put in some different activities using Activity Book Mastery, and get these different activities and put them together, bunch them into a unique activity book, and sell it on KDP, Amazon's KDP network. Again, I'm gonna have a link to my free course here. You can get access to that. As for Activity Book Mastery, I'll have a link to it down below as well. Let me know what you think. Again, I found this piece of software for you. Okay, it's 100% public domain, easy, free to use. You don't have to worry about paying anybody or paying any licenses for this tool and whatever you produce with this tool. Have a great day. Let me know what you think. Like and comment, and talk to you soon. Be good. Bye-bye.